Oh my goodness, I just had to show you guys this view. Wow, look at the clouds. Hi everyone, my name is Jenny. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new. Today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. I got my box yesterday. I'm barely filming today because I just realized that it was outside, so I went to go grab it. But yeah, this is my Boxycharm for the month of January, and let's go ahead and see what's inside. So the first item that I got is this brow pencil. It's by Billion Dollar Brows. Can you see that? And it has like a it's like a universal shade for your brows, and it has a spoolie on one end. So this is what I used in the front of my brows, and I do have to say that it did work pretty well for what it is. I do think that it worked really well. It was super creamy, almost to the point where it was slipping and sliding everywhere, but it was easy to manage once I actually sat down and decided to do my brows. But when I was just trying to do my brows quickly to run out of the house to go run some errands, it was a little bit difficult, so I do have to mention that. But other than that, the spoolie is a little bit rough. I know that over time it probably will get softer as you start to use this. And let's go ahead and see how much product this comes with. Wow, that's a lot. Can you see that? That's a lot of product, so I definitely think this will last a long time. I did need something lighter for the inside of my brows because I use the Wet n Wild's brow powder, and you can see that I've already hit pan on that brown shade, the dark brown shade, but the lighter brown shade is a little bit too cool. And then this one, my Anastasia one, it's still a little bit too dark, and I have the shade Ebony. So I really like the pencil for just like the front of my brows because it matches with the tip of like my year-old ombre. So yeah, I really like that. Pencil was really creamy. I really do like it. The next thing that I got in my box was the Ofra liquid lip, and this is in the shade Miami Fever. This is actually a shade that I used to have, but I never used it, so I'm not going to open this one just because I never reached for it. And this is a shade that looks a little bit neon on me. I know that sounds like kind of weird, but it's not like this dirty brown color that I have on. It's more of like a neonish kind of orangey shade. It doesn't flatter my skin tone. I am pretty dark, pretty tan I should say, and I'm in the shade 11 in this one. I'm in the shade 330 for Fenty Pro Filter Foundation, and yeah, just for reference in case you guys wanted to know. But yeah, I do love the formula of Ofra's liquid lipsticks. I used the shade Verona today, which we've gotten in a Boxycharm before, and this is like my go-to shade with the Morphe lip gloss. It's like my everyday shade. It's so nice. But yeah, I'm not going to open this, but I do really like the formula of their liquid lipsticks. This retails for $20, I believe. Yeah, $20. And it's a long-lasting lipstick. It's super comfortable, so highly recommend this for anyone that is looking for a liquid lipstick, well, the formula at least, but the color just doesn't suit me. So the next thing that we got in the box is the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioner, and that looks like this. I actually am really happy that I got this just because I do have the other one that we've got last year in Boxycharm. So this is like a repeat item, and I'm actually not mad about it. And the reason for that is because I've been using Briogeo hair care products, the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in hair mask, the one like that came in a squeezy tube in another Boxycharm, and I really like the spray version a lot more. And this really does repair your hair. If you guys have ever used this consistently, you will notice a difference. My hair is so soft, so shiny, just with like everything that I use in conjunction with this, and all of the products are from Briogeo, so I do stand by the brand. I do really like their hair products, and you can see my hair is pretty shiny. I used it today, and it makes my hair super silky, just really soft, and it is also a I believe it also protects from like heat products. Am I wrong? Yeah, it says prior to drying, so I'm assuming that it does protect your hair from heat products. So I really like this. I know some people were really upset that they received like a repeat of this item, but I do really like it. I think it's a really good product, and I recommend to try it out if you guys haven't tried it out, and just kind of like take before and after pictures, and you guys will notice a difference. I promise you, it's really good. And I do have color treated hair as well. I do bleach my hair maybe twice a year, so I do notice a difference when I use this and when I don't use it. And that actually retails for $12, which is really affordable for a leave-in conditioner. The keratin ones are a lot more expensive. It's a 10, so I do really like that as an alternative. The next product that we got were the Tatcha, oh my god, I'm so excited for these, Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. These are, I'm just like really excited to have this because my skin is super dry. This is more geared towards dry skin, I believe, and this retails for $24. It's $12 a piece, so very, very pricey for face masks. I usually buy like $1 masks or $1.50 from the Face Shop and from like Koreatown in LA, so this is very pricey for me. I don't think that it's something that I would purchase on my own, but I am going to New Orleans. I will be on a plane for about, I want to say 4 hours, so I am going to test this out then and see how my skin works with it and if my skin likes it. So I can't really speak on skincare up front because I do not have experience with Tatcha skincare products because they are so expensive. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I don't really buy new makeup or anything. I'm just kind of using up what I have. I will be doing a project pan. You guys will probably see that tomorrow. So yeah, I can't wait to use these. I do have other masks that I have, but these are just like so luxurious and like so nice that I just want to use them when I go on my trip. The last product that I have in the box is this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. This is also a repeat item. I got the exact same one that I got last year, and the packaging looks like this. It leads me to wonder if Tarte didn't really do well for the sales for this item just because it is another repeat item. So I guess Boxycharm probably got this in bulk, but I don't know if you guys can see the shades. They are pretty neutral, but my issue with this is that it's not going to show up on my skin, and if it does, then it's just going to it's gonna look really dry and more silvery on my skin. At least that's what the other one showed up as, and I do believe that it is the exact same one. I gave away the other one because I wasn't using it, and I will not be touching this because I will be giving this away probably in a future giveaway, or if one of my friends want it, then I will be giving it to them. But this is a product that I will not be touching or swatching, but you guys can look up swatches online. Yeah, this product retails for, let me check, it retails for $36. I don't think that it retails for $36 on the Tarte website. I believe it's $24, so I think that was kind of a mistake on like the card, because when something is on clearance, I do go by the clearance price. I don't go by the normal retail price. I don't think that this is worth $36. I do think that there are other palettes out there that are way better than this and just like way better quality. I know some of you guys are sick of hearing about Morphe, but Morphe does have really good eyeshadows. So yeah, and then let's go ahead and total this. Okay, so let's do 12 plus 20 plus, I'm gonna go with the price that's on the site, so it's $24, and then 24 for the masks, and then 18. So my total came out to 98. You can add or take away $10 if you want to do like the original price that the Tarte palette was, but I did the retail price that I see now, so it did come out to $98. I do think that this was a good box for like maybe if it suited your skin tone. I do think that it's a really good box, but the problem with me is that I won't be able to use these two products, so yeah, each to its own. But I do really like these three. I think that it was definitely worth it. I'm really happy that I got this brow pencil because I am very excited to continue using it in the front of my brows. I just think it completely changed the look of my brows, and they don't look like super like blocky or anything. And then this is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. So did you see that spit? Okay, whatever. But this is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, so worth it. And then these masks are just worth it in itself. I'm really excited to try this out. Boxycharm does send me a box for review purposes, so I did not purchase this box. I don't want you guys to think that you know, I'm trying to like fool you in any way. I didn't purchase this box. They do send it to me for review purposes, and overall I do really like it. I'm kind of glad that I can give these things away just because I haven't had makeup, well, I haven't purchased makeup actually in a really long time to give away makeup to my family because I stopped buying makeup completely. And yeah, so I basically purged everything that I'm not really interested in, and then what else? I do get PR, but most of those things I keep because I do like them. So yeah, it all just depends. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys like this video and you want to stick around for more videos from me, then be sure to subscribe down below right here. And you guys can check out other videos from me up here in the little card section. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching once again. I'm gonna go and have a few drinks. Yeah, I just remembered to film this, so I'm very sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna go have a few drinks and I'm gonna go out on the town. I kind of want to go to Avra in Beverly Hills, so hopefully that happens. But anyway, I'm just kind of talking to myself at this point. But I hope that you guys enjoyed once again. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!